one of my questions were, do you think the Italian American food, since everyone with the social media today is Italian and American, do you think it's helping evolve what we're doing, or do you think it's maybe hurting our era per se?
I think it's actually helping, to be honest. You got a lot of young kids on social media to watch your videos and stuff. I like to keep the old school Italian
That's what I mean. Like, do you
alive.
think it's staying traditional, or it's just evolving to
Something else.
something
I
else?
think traditional, honestly.
What kind of stuff are you looking to do outside of the mozzarella? May I ask?
I started a new segment, Cooking with Cheech.
Cooking with Cheech.
Yeah. I when I was growing up in high school, my father owned a pizzeria. So I used to work there. My parents split up when I was young, and then I would go down there and stay with them, and then we'd work at the pizzeria. So I basically, from making pizza, the marinara sauce, to cutting the salads in the back, watching everybody cook.
So you have some food under your belt.
Yeah, I learned how to cook in the kitchen, which is great. So now I'm like sharing my recipes to social media.
At what point do you feel like, are you gonna brand this? Like, make something of your own?
I was thinking, I was like, maybe if I could find a reasonable place, I could do maybe like a mozzarella factory or something.
Mm.
And, bulk order mozzarellas for restaurants and pizza.
Each Wonka's mozzarella factory.
And listen, and you would probably get bulk orders because you're starting to see when you go to these restaurants, they're getting just like the brands off of the regular stores. Like
Yeah.
you're not getting quality.
No, you're not.
So that's what makes things
And
different.
I don't like when it's made in a machine, but I think it's better made by hand with love. And, you could also burn mozzarella, and then you could also overwork it where all the milk comes out of it.
Yeah.
People make it look easy, but it's really not.